Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create new folder in Yahoo Mail. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Yahoo Mail application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you get the Yahoo Mail app? Pretty simple. You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. And in the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing and downloading, click on Open, and that takes you into the sign-up page for Yahoo Mail, where you'll be required to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose. Once you log in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Yahoo Mail. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to create a new folder in Yahoo Mail. From this home screen, head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have three icons representing diverse features, and they include Inbox, Receipt, and Subscriptions. Click on Inbox, and once you click on Inbox, you're going to see a couple of extended options, which include Inbox, Draft, Sent, Scheduled, Archive, Spam, Trash, and Create New Folder. Go ahead and click on Create New Folder. And once you do that, it takes you here. We have to add your folder name. So let's say the folder name in here is going to be Amy Books, and it says do not use. Check the on-screen prompt right there so that it can guide you on how to add your folder name. Okay, I think I missed that. So create new folder, Amy Books. Now click on OK. Once you click on OK, that's it. Amy Books folder created. Now go ahead and click on that Inbox again and scroll the way down, and you have the folder category. And in the folder category, you have your Amy Books in there. So you can go ahead and click on Amy Books over here and add whatever you want to add to your folder to make your mails more organized. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.